Most learners make mistakes, but silence kills their confidence. Today, I want to share 5 biggest mistakes you can avoid. Number one, overthinking before speaking. सबसे common mistake. Overthinking. Thinking about every word, checking grammar in your head, imagining what the next I will speak. As a result, you freeze, you hesitate, and confidence disappear. So, focus on the message, not perfection. Speak first and correct later. Mistake number two, comparing yourself with others. Comparison is another silent clear. वो फ्लुएंट है, मैं कब बोल पाऊंगी, उसका एक्सेंट परफेक्ट है, मेरा नहीं. This shift focus outside instead on of your own progress. So this shift your focus outside instead of your own progress. Now, mistake number three, fear of making mistakes. Most learners avoid speaking because they just have fear in their mind. अगर गलत बोला तो क्या होगा, शायद लोग मजाक बनाएंगे, लाफ करेंगे. बट रिमेंबर, मिस्टेक्स आर मेकिंग यू लर्न. Embrace mistakes. Speak confidently, and confidence grows only when you try. Mistake number four, not speaking enough. Many learners practice English silently, reading, listening, writing. But confidence only comes with speaking. You can never improve your English just by thinking in your head. But your mouth needs to practice. And speak every day. Only 5 minutes, that is enough. But at least start. Number five, focusing only on grammar. Learners often obsess over grammar and accent. मेरी grammar perfect नहीं, मेरा accent अजीब है. This skill kills confidence and slows your progress. Focus on clarity and communication, not perfection. Accent and grammar improve naturally with practice. I see my students every day. मैं confident feel नहीं करता even when they know English. Why? Because of these mistakes. The knowledge is there, but confidence is blocked by these things. The true confidence is a skill. Avoid these 5 mistakes and your confidence will grow suddenly. Start today and focus on action and embrace your mistakes. Remember, confidence is not born, it is built. Small steps daily and practice daily helps you to grow. And stop overthinking, stop comparing. Your English is stronger than you. Start thinking this today. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And keep watching, keep smiling till the next video.